Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today I'll show you how to fix overexposed photos without Photoshop. Of course, we're not going to use Adobe Photoshop, but we're going to use the alternative, and this is the free way to use or to fix overexposed photos. So you just have to click on Create on the top left side. Then you want to go to Upload. Then you want to upload the photo that you want to work on. So here in my case, I will work on this photo, for example. So as you can see, this photo is overexposed. I'm going to click on Edit Image. Then what you should do right now is to look here on the left side. Here you can have some options that you can adjust. You just have to go to Adjustments. Then you want to play with these values right here till you get the most satisfying result. I'm going to decrease the brightness, decrease the highlights, increase the contrast for a little bit, decrease the brightness again. I'm going to increase the shadows or decrease them. The whites, I'm going to adjust them a little bit. The blacks, just like so. The vibrance, the saturation, and the texture, we're going to increase the sharpness a little bit. The clarity, the vignette, I don't know how to spell it, but I don't know. If you want to reset the adjustments, you just have to click on Reset Adjustments. You can even invert the adjustments like so. And here we go. This is with the adjustments, and this is without the adjustments. If you want to get back, go to Undo, click on Undo. You can click on Auto Adjust, and it will do the auto adjustment to you. I will go back. Here you have the intensity also. You can adjust the intensity. You can even play with the brush tool and add some effects to your photo. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.